nuts, boy. This beat going crazy. Damn nuts, boy. This beat going crazy.
Gang, what's good with you? Welcome back to another video. We ain't gonna waste no time. We gonna jump right into it. You already saw the profits and everything. I'm gonna just show you what I saw at the moment when I was taking these trades. With that being said, let's get into it. On the E-mini S&P, I only took 2 trades this week, guys. On the S&P, one on S&P, one on NASDAQ. This is the first trade that I took. Before 9:30 hit, I saw this here spike down into this fair value gap, and that spike down let me know that there was at least going to be like a stop hunt or to fill this in. Either way, I was looking at that. I ended up getting in on that candle. Sorry about that. I switched to the 2-minute real fast. I ended up getting in on that candle on that initial push, and then all I did was target a 1 to 3. That's it. Just to let you know, just to let y'all know, I show it serious. I show the executions. I got in right here on this candle. Got in right here on this push up, and all I did was target a 1 to 3, gang. Sorry, that should have been about right there. And that's all I did. But nothing simple, nothing crazy. I saw this spike down. Honestly, I should have probably got in right here, being that I wanted this entry right here. But it's all good. Nonetheless, I still trusted my trade, and ended up being a nice little trade. Ended up getting about 600, 800, something like that. Let me see, because I took it on here. Yeah, these were these two. I took partial right here, and then I got the other half, the rest of it right there. So nothing too crazy. I don't think I saw a divergence on this day. Let's go to the, what day is this? 31st, 29th. We gotta go back 2 days. I don't think I saw like a divergence this day. No, there was no divergence, because believe it or not, this candle right here is, I think it was a little bit lower than this low right here, so there wasn't really any divergence here. Let's go to the next trade that I took, which was on NASDAQ. It was the 31st, if I'm not mistaken. Let's switch over to the NASDAQ. Like I said, I show executions. I show you that I actually take the trade. To this day, I was looking for a sell. We were well above New York Open, which gave me more confidence. I ended up getting into this trade right here, but then I got out right here because price had came back and hit me in profit. But as you can see, price ended up dropping. It ended up dropping for that nice little 1 to 3, which was about right there. We don't need to be too precise, but it's all good. Like I said, I got in right here, got in at 1246, 462.75. Then, like I said, I got stopped out in profit because I was not did not want to see price come back. It had already came back into here. I didn't think it was come back, but nonetheless, it happens. But as you can see, price just dropped down. All I do is just look for a range, guys. That's it. I don't do anything specific. If we're above New York and midnight open and we are trending down, I just look for opportunity to sell. Look for a nice little retracement into a fair value gap. We ended up getting it in here. If you take it from that that high to this low, you get just a little bit around that 50% area. You want to be above 50% when you take these trades. Normally you want to be up here in the 62 to the 70, to in between the 62 and the 79% retracement, but you can be above that 50% to that as well. This was a little bit of a risky trade, I won't lie, but nonetheless, it still played itself out beautifully. I can't complain. And like I said, I tried to get in for the sell right here off of this. It ended up coming back and taking me out of profit. I didn't panic. I just reevaluated and just waited for my opportunity. Yeah, and I did, and nothing too crazy. That's all I did. Waited for another opportunity. Had I got stopped out in this trade too, that would have been done for the week. I don't trade past Wednesday on NFP week, because I don't think it's necessary to, especially if you already made profit for the week on NFP week. You can just leave it alone. I don't show a lot of GBPUSD, but this is one of the pairs that I trade when it comes to currencies. I did not take this trade, but had I taken this trade, which was on August 30th, this would have been the setup that I would have liked to taken. It was a nice little retracement after around when 7 o'clock had started, and that's what you want to see. You want to see that retracement when 7 o'clock starts, and then price just takes off. I could have got in back here. This was also a nice retracement too. Could have got it back here, but I like this entry a little bit better than this entry. Either or, I think these were two well-placed entries, nothing too crazy. And that's about it. That's what I saw for the week, gang. Nothing too crazy. just kept it simple. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make another trade video breaking down the strategy, because all it is, basically is, if I'm not looking for a purge in price, I'm looking for my range, and I'm looking at where am I located midnight open and New York open, and I'm also looking for what highs and what lows are going to potentially be protected. So I just take my trades based off of that, and then I try to look for my range as well. But I'm gonna make a video on what I look for and how do I do it. Like I said, I didn't take a trade. I didn't take this trade right here, but this would have been my setup. And for that NASDAQ sell, this was it right here. That was the loss that I had taken. But this was that sell when I got stopped out in profit. So nothing too crazy. Like I say, just simple. But that's pretty much it for the week, gang. Like I said, I'm gonna get a video out as soon as I can for you guys, breaking down the strategy again. I already do have one previously, but I'm gonna get another one out breaking down that strategy again, and then we'll go from there. Hopefully I break it down in the nicest way possible, or in a way that you can understand it. Yeah, if you have any questions, just let your boy know, man. You know, other than that, wish you good luck and good trading. I'm out. Take it easy, gang.